You are going to love the 2023 INFINITI QX80. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.